Okay, we are live. Hello, folks. So, in today's video, we're going to see about Jenkins Blue Ocean UI. So, let me get the URL for you. So, this is the web page for the Blue Ocean user interface for Jenkins pipelines, and there's also a documentation. So apparently Jenkins has a classic UI, which is what I showed in the last video that I did about Jenkins. So this is the classic UI, and there is another UI which is called Blue Ocean, and it gives a different user experience for Jenkins apparently. And I've not tried it before, so I'm just going to try it out in this video live. So let's get started. So to actually install or use Blue Ocean user interface, you can actually go to the dashboard if you have Jenkins set up. If you have not installed Jenkins, I would recommend you to go to my previous video about Jenkins and check it out and install Jenkins. So if you have Jenkins already installed, awesome. You can go to the dashboard. I believe you should be an admin to do this, because we are going to be doing some configuration and only admins can do that, or any role that has some higher privilege. So you go to the dashboard and you click on manage Jenkins, and you can go to the manage plugins, and over here we are going to actually click on available and type Blue Ocean. Okay, so there are a lot of them. Let's see which one we have to get. So this section describes how to get started with Blue Ocean and Jenkins. Setting up Blue Ocean on Jenkins as well as for access. Okay. So apparently there is a plugin with the exact name Blue Ocean, and I am not able to see it. There is Blue Ocean pipeline editor. Okay, there it is. I have no idea why it is like so well below all these results, but this is the one we are looking at. Maybe I'll confirm that. Okay, so this is the plugin page. It's plugins.jenkins.io/Blue Ocean. Let's click this one. Okay, yep, that's the one. Okay, with that confirmed, let me go ahead and install it. And they also recommend you to install after restart, like download now and install after restart. So so that you can get all the features of Blue Ocean. Because if you notice, let me know one sec. I read this somewhere. Features. Oops. Okay, let's get back there. So there is no need to select the checkboxes. Okay. If you choose to install without restart, you may need to restart in order to gain full Blue Ocean functionality or features. So I am just going to install without restart, I guess, this time, but the recommended way is download and then install after restart to get all the features or functionality of Blue Ocean. So for now, I'll just install without restart. Okay, so that's a lot of plugins. I mean, it's a list of or an umbrella of plugins under Blue Ocean itself. So that's what's getting installed over here. So that there is internationalization. This is the plugin that I just chose. There is Jira integration for Blue Ocean. There is personalization. There is dashboard, Bitbucket, Mercurial. So this is another version control system similar to Git. Looks like there is a lot of plugins, so they are installing one by one. Okay, it's pretty fast. Okay. So meanwhile, I can talk about how to access Blue Ocean once it's installed. So once you have your Blue Ocean installed, you can actually see a button like this called Open Blue Ocean. And if you have a URL and you want to just change the URL to go to the Blue Ocean UI of the same URL, you can just put /blue uh, after, like that. That should be the first thing that comes after the Jenkins server URL, and then the other path, like path or URL path can come. So okay, I think it's gonna get done. So I can just show you how this really looks like. Mhm. 3 more to go. Okay, so it's loading the plugin extensions, and we're done. Awesome. So it's all success. Um, okay. I don't. Oh, there it is. So here you can see Open Blue Ocean. So I'll click on that, and you can see how there is /blue on the URL. So you can also go back to the classic UI by clicking this. Go to classic, and you will be back here. So the Blue Oceans is this. It looks awesome, right? Like it's very modern. Uh, so you click on the pipeline, you see how neat it looks like, um, and like it shows you a visual representation of how your build pipeline looks like. Like mine is very simple. I have just one step or one job, uh, and it shows you the logs like this, in where you can actually collapse it or expand it. Um, and yep. So I think this is the Blue Ocean UI. You can go try it out. I think it looks really perfect. So in your local, it's very easy to like. Okay, what is this? There are notices. Okay. In your local, it's pretty easy to install Jenkins and try it out. But if you have like if you are working in a company and if you have a hosted version of Jenkins which is running somewhere remotely in some server in your company, then you would have to, and you are not an administrator or admin, you would have to request your admin to actually install Blue Ocean, like convince them, show them that it is cool and all that. Maybe show them this video that they have for introducing like Blue Ocean and what it offers, and then like convince them to install it and then try it out. I've heard people telling that they prefer the classic UI, but they also tell me that they like the pipeline visual view of the pipeline in Blue Ocean. So I think that's a pro in Blue Ocean for sure. So that's it I had for this video. Bye bye.